Alright, we are doing this a last time. Nu måste vi fan hitta någonting. Why are you shouting, my friend? That is not nice. Let's go to the navel. The thick liquid spread across his tongue. He swallowed excessively to consume every drop. He looked through the window at the widespread forest and the morning sun. Will this ever end? He thought.
Really?
Where the fuck?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Agrippa. How are you today?
But so does Alexander. That's why he keeps you here as a hostage, hoping Brian will reveal himself.
I'm gonna bust some tags. Only got $1 in my pocket.
And I appreciate your company. But I believe you have more important things to take care of.
I'm gonna bust some tags. Only got $1 in my pocket. Oh, NS. Fuck you. Vänta. Yo, fuck. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna bust some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. Va? Köpa pizza? Men jag kör... Kanske.
Jag tar det som ett ja.
Kanske. Klara är det här nu, då blir det pizza.
Jag ska först bara fixa mitt först min väg. Så jag kan slänga på den. Helikopter,
Oh! Awesome! Fuck yeah! I'm gonna bust some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket.
Vi har förstört B redan.
You have gone too far. I have to stop you. Fuck you! Fuck you! I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! Cry baby.
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too, Agrippa.
Good going.
No,
I knew you could.
I got the doors open! Fuck you, Agrippa, I'm leaving you. Hello? Ah, det kanske är hit jag ska ha meet. Gigri go. Ah. And now I only do like this. Det här ljudet tycker vi inte om. I got myself a fishy! What is this? Picked up remains. The bone is covered in mucus. Ugh. That's just nasty. That shit is nasty. Fuck you, Kraken! Hello? Hello? Transept! I'm gonna bust some things. Only got 1,000. Carefully cutting the man open made him think. This is how father must feel about his craft, being an artist's son. With a fucking pentagram on his floor. Why the... No! No!
How much more, Baron? How much more am I supposed to withstand? Kill me already! Kill me!
Ah, there's a naked man in the cage. Oh no! Oh no! Det här kändes som en... Ah, Poseidons träd! Det här rummet känns skitbra. Ja, nej. Här var det ju lagom mörkt. Hello! 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 Ah, Tinderbox! Piece of orb! Ah, varför rörde jag den där? The rapist hanged upside down. His tear soiled with blood flooding from his belly. The saw between his legs had... in the hip and wouldn't move any further. The man stepped back and waited for the victim to drain. Det är ju så där våldtäktsmän ska hanteras! Fan, är man våldtäktsman får man fan skylla sig själv. Stryk ska man ha. Ah! Now that hurts my penis. Ah, bra animation. I'm gonna bust some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. Nej!
The cradle is ready. Good.
Its texture and color are most constantly changing.
You partake in this.
Is he all right? He is one of the wicked. Don't pay his lies any attention.
I'm not a bad man. It was an accident.
He set a man on fire.
It wasn't my fault.
That's horrible. Of course. We are dealing with monsters here.
Hell yeah! Let's make a barbecue. Grill that motherfucker. I'm gonna bust some tags. Oh!
Do anything. Whatever you want. Anything. Do anything. I'm innocent.
Listen to the man. He is innocent. Aha! Piece of orb. Ah! The arsonist kept crying as he was slowly lowered on and off the impaler. It didn't take much to break him. They had meant for him to die, but the torture was working beyond their expectations. It wasn't the method, it was the arsonist. He was different from the others. They could make him forget again. Can I see a picture somewhere? No, I cannot. I would really want to see how they did that. How many orbs did I need? 6 parts. I have 2. Let's go to the last room before going upstairs. I don't like this dark.
Find a way.
Ah. Oh. Of course. The kidnapper sat on her knees with her hands tied behind her back. She felt her hands being lifted and her body followed. Her shoulders gave way to the weight of her own body and cracked loudly. The suspended woman cried hysterically as the man contemplated their next step. Ah. Ah! Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Poor woman! Margaret! It looks like Wally. Hello! Fuck you! I'm going upstairs. Fuck this shit. Now you're sexy. A piece of string. How nice. And a note. I leave that for... Aha! Is it you, my lad? I missed the most. Or is it perhaps myself? I know what I have become. Nej, det vet du inte alls. Oh.
Fan, det är dåligt. Men jag fick typ 4 kills.
Notes on torture. There are quite a few things to be said about torture. I had figured that the reaction I would get from the victims would be highly individual. Thankfully, this is not the case. The humans... blah 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 blah. Why are you so goddamn sexy?
Jag fick Russian Superstar.
A tough string made of hemp. Uh-huh. I got the hemp. Nave. Navi. Oh my fuck. Fuck you.
How are things coming?
Really good, Agrippa. Varför skriver någon på Steam? Tinderbox. Louden. Dowden. One of those. Tinderbox.
Nej, alltså det är lite...
Record the order of the Black Eagles. Blah blah blah. Where taunts me from the other side, trusting him with my true reason for my efforts, and still he insists on me releasing Agrippa. Memento! One note speaks of a mixture made with 3 ingredients. The remaining ore piece can be found in the core. Hawa! And I haven't missed anything? No? No?
förstör helikoptern, jag var bredvid den sen.
Bla 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 bla. Darn darn. Didn't darn. I don't like your table. After the men had secured the prisoner, the ritual began. Aha, you are trying to hide the tinderbox from me. Yeah, that is not good. Another tinderbox. Ingen mer? Nej? They are Jews.
15th of August.
Fuck you!
Nu ska vi se hur fucking
The blood wards are failing.
The shadow beckons and its cry disarms my action. Who the fuck are you?
You have to kill another. Alexander produces a knife. He wants me to cut the flesh. Do it. Save yourself. He is a murderer, Daniel. He is evil. A cold-blooded killer.
I'ma fuck you up.
Alexander, you must let me be. I have to concentrate.
I'ma fuck you up.
Man, cut the lines.
Just let him cut him.
Watch the blood spill.
Just let me cut him already. What? What?
I didn't do anything. Cut the lines.
Paint the man. Cut the lines.
Please, the man cries.
Hush, little baby, I'm gonna get you a mockingbird.
One life for another. You hear me, guardian of the all? I did all this for you. Now, once more, withdraw your shadow from my domain.
Oh, hell no!
There isn't much time. I can feel it. We must act swiftly. I will do whatever it takes.
Oh, why are you hanging here? Fuck you. Naked men all over the ceiling. Knave. Oh. It had gone too far. The man was suffocating as he could no longer breathe properly between the lashes. Displeased, he started to look for the Damascus something. So
What are my intentions, Daniel? Salvation.
Tinderbox.
Yours. But now you only seek misplaced revenge. How do you justify your violence? Is it for a greater glory?
Nej! Vart är du?
It is you who caused all this.
Åh! Spring! Åh! Nej! Åh!
Killing us both.
Åh! Åh! Var fan kom han ifrån? Fuck no, jag tänker tända den här jävla lampan igen. Och så kommer de jävla skalbaggarna. Alltså det ser för fan ut som att de kryper på min skärm. Fan, bort. Tinderbox. Hello! Oh no, you didn't. Varför tände jag den för? Nej. Var kommer han ifrån? Jag kan inte höra. Two-Face. Get the fuck out of here. You are not a nice person. Hell no. Oh! Oh! Oh, I found me selfie cow!
Han är nog premium.
What is this? The threat did not blah 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 blah. Oh, fuck you, cow! Oh. I trusted you, cow. Varför har mitt spel glitchat för? Det låter som att jag springer i vatten när jag inte gör det. Så, tack. Nu. Jag slutar väl här då.